80 animals.
Flamingo.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I am very good. The flamingo is the animal we'll learn about today. These are flamingos. Let's look at pictures to learn some words.
Rarely. If something rarely happens, it does not happen very often. In the picture, the boy wakes up late. It doesn't happen often to him. It rarely happens. That's why he was shocked when he looked at the time. Tuck. If you tuck something somewhere, you put it there to be comfortable or neat. In the picture, the duck tucks hay on the pile of hay. Beneath. If something is under another thing, it is beneath it. In the picture, the girl swims beneath the water's surface.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Rarely. Beneath. Tuck.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Look at the pink bird. Its neck is long. Its legs are long too. The bird is a flamingo. It lives near water. It eats frogs and shrimp near or in water. A flamingo has webbed feet, so it can swim, but rarely does. A flamingo often stands on one leg. It tucks the other leg beneath its body. Flamingos live in a flock. In some places, we can see more than 1,000 flamingos in a flock. Where does a flamingo live? In a tree. Near water. What is true about how a flamingo looks? It has webbed feet. Its neck is short. What is true about a flamingo? It lives alone. It often stands on one leg.
Did you enjoy the lesson? I hope you liked it. That's all for now. Goodbye.